adventure. We are making lectin-free satay sauce from Everyday Low Lectin Cookbook. Welcome to today's video and let's see what you're working with. I am Carol. Shallot and garlic, lemon juice, capers, zest of lemon, coconut milk, ginger, turmeric and cumin, Tabasco, black pepper, and tahini that I've already put in my blender. We'll start by sauteing our shallot and our garlic. So a little bit of olive oil. We just want them to be translucent and fragrant. We're going to add all the ingredients into our blender. Water, our lemon juice, the honey, hazelnut butter, coconut milk, our cumin, ginger and turmeric, capers and the zest of lemon, some Tabasco, black pepper, lastly our shallot and garlic. Then we are going to blend and we'll be done. So that's it for today for this creamy satay sauce.